There we go. Fish on. Nice fish. More musky. Okay. Either squatted down or
No, fish number 1, 5, literally like 3 seconds in. There we go. Oh, that's big. Oh no, I just lost it. Did you see that?
I saw it.
Did you see that was an 18? That was freaking massive. No way. I lose it. I lost 2. Oh my God. Because he freaking jumped on me. I should have kept him down. Bro, I'm so mad. That's 2 nice fish. 2 nice fish I missed.
That one.
There you go.
Sometimes they get the best of you.
Of course, the little guys I can catch. The big guys.
Come on.
He's like outside his mouth. That's a little. Oh, that's a little. Is that a rock? Yeah. Good? Not really. Bro, I'm so mad that I missed 2. Nice size one. Hey,
It better not be that. Oh.
Well, it could be small. Did you actually smack him or no?
Your dad?
Yeah.
I don't know. I didn't see it. I know I didn't.
Like actually with your lure or just staying with water?
With the.
Oh my God.
I didn't see him. He was just blended. Now we're going.
There you go. That's a nice size.
Oh.
Oh, just that's not bad. That's a 6. That's a 12. What are you and me today losing good sized fish?
Come on.
You and me both are losing nice sized fish. I think you know why? I know.
That makes me so
Oh, that's a tree, Dad. Oh, that Lexi got another?
Yep.
Try and get it your way.
Just sorry. Okay, we're landing this bad boy.
Nice size.
I'll take it. Come here. You're fine.
That's probably like an 8 or 9.
Sorry. Hold on.
Must be stacked up right where you're that corner. I gotta retie it. There you go. Dude, they are biting today, Dad. I said I had one on, but it came off.
All right, this bad boy better not.
I'm really mad I missed those 2 big ones.
Nice.
There we go.
Nice. They are biting tonight.
That's a nice, like, not too bad.
But
Oh, flip him. Oh, yeah, he came up for it. Come here,
it
bud.
might be like that.
Look at that. Oh,
What was that?
that's a freaking smallmouth just bit it.
Oh, really?
Yeah. But it was, this smallmouth is the size of the lure.
That's hilarious.
Dude, he came up so quick and bit it. I was like, no, please don't be a snakehead. But then I saw his little mouth. That's it. That's funny. There you go, Lexi. What? There you go, smallmouth.
Oh, okay. Give a little.
Yeah, that's a nice size. That's a nice size.
Ah,
That's probably 12-incher.
grab it. Grab it. Grab it.
That's funny. That little smallmouth came up and smacked my lure. It's bigger. It was bigger than him. There you go.
Woo-hoo.
Nice size.
Thanks. Oh, buddy, I gotta switch hands. Alright, cool.
You just gotta shake it. Whoops, if you shake it. Look at that. That's a little nice one.
Be free, my friend.
I still think that's funny that that little guy came up and smacked it. It was like the size of the lure. Hey, you're chilly?
A little bit.
This is warm. I feel nice.
What?
I feel nice.
Refreshing.
Also have a long sleeve on.
Yes, exactly.
It's a fishing shirt, that's why. There you go. Well, there might be some.
Yeah, buddy.
There you go.
Come on.
Hey, a fish is a fish.
A fish is a fish, but come on.
There's a lot of wheat bed, right? It's a wheat bed right here. See that, Dad? All the grass down there? There's a lot of minis down there. They're all just smacking my lure.
Hold on.
There's a bunch of just boop, 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 smacking it.
What?
Dad was hung up on that tree.
Oh. Stop it. I'm trying to help you.
Well, it's also basically suffocating. Like, I think you'd be squirming if you were suffocating.
Don't start with me.
It was where I caught fish last week, right where you just caught that. It was right off this rock, all these rocks. That's where I caught mine.
What is
I caught rock bass, dude. Yeah, the small one.
this? Oh my god, my dude.
Oh, it's gonna catch that stick. Oh, nope, I got it out. Look at that. Pretty much a professional.
I died. A personal best.
Obviously. PB.
Zoom. Oh, sorry, my guy. Guys, I am just a
for the big ones. I've had so many bites that I just haven't really set a hook because I could tell they're small. I really don't want smalls all day.
That's not bad.
No, it's about 6 inches.
Hey, I'm so sorry. I know.
He doesn't. Ah, of course. Stuck. I might have to snap that. No. Okay. Did you take the pliers or no?
Yeah. I got the pliers you need.
Yeah, straight from the back. No, you didn't want it.
Okay.
You didn't want it. I went right by him. I saw him down there as well. There you go. Yeah, I want a bigger one to come out, but I think it's all just tinies in this section right
I'm
here.
so tired of it.
I try to be honest, if it's not a big grab, I kind of avoid it.
Shoot.
Oh, there we go. If it's not like a really hard grab, I kind of just been trying to pull it away from them. And I'm like, I really don't want the small ones.
Alright, buddy. What are we working with here?
That's a rock bass. It's a rocky. That's what I do. Run it down the back so it gets there.
I know, that's what
Feels
trust
that
me,
one.
I try. And every time I try, they end up sticking.
Just be better.
Look.
Another one.
Oh, thank God it came off. I was getting so tired of taking them off.
And I'm literally, if it's like a little nibble, I'm trying to pull it out of them. I don't want them. I wanna see the rod tip go.
Okay.
There you go.
This might be better. We might be working with something better. There we go.
Oh yeah, that's decenter.
All right. Oh, it's a little guy.
Oh shit.
I'm not wasting mine.
Yeah, I've been trying to. You get him?
I don't know.
Yeah, you got him.
Yeah. God. I'm so tired of you.
I'm trying to avoid the little thinkers.
All right, at least he's a kind of a decent size.
Yeah, he's not horrible.
Dude, you're barely looked on there.
Yeah, look at the rock bass. They don't got big. They don't got the big mouths like that. The smallmouth do.
Oh no, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. No, stop. You're killing me. Like, you really are killing me. I'm so tired.
It's all the rock bass. You literally catch a rock bass at the rock bass.
I know.
Oh yeah, that's there. There's a rock bass that just hit mine. Freaking rock bass.
Stop. Alrighty. 25th rock bass.
Watch your tip. I think. Yep, your tip's tied up. It was tied up. You got it out now, but it was tied up.